everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Wiltasha, but you can just call me TayTheySay, short and sweet. And I am doing this look that I have right now. Yeah, so I'm doing like a no foundation makeup look. I try to make it like, I wanted to like come up with something that I can do like quicker, like when I go to work and things like that. And this is what I got. And I really like the way it turned out. It just, I love it so much, you guys. And this is my first time doing something like this, so I'm so proud of myself. Also got 2 new products from Family Dollar, so they are affordable. And I don't know why I did the quotations. I got 2 things. I got a mineral powder by Ruby Kisses. It is a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and all that good things product. And this is how it looks. It is in the color Carmel, and the code is RMP12. So I got that, and this is how it looks. It is so pretty. And this is what I use as like a setting powder for my face, and I really like it. Next thing I got is a all over glow bronzing powder, but I use it as a highlight. It is in the color Bronze Glow. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's really pretty. I actually got this color by mistake. I wanted to get another one, but I really like it. It's a subtle highlight, something you can, you know, wear every day as therefore the makeup look. That's enough talking. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. And yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face. I'm gonna use my baby skin primer and also my NYX pore filling primer. My NYX pore filling primer and my baby skin primer to prime my face. I don't know why I'm using my left hand. I don't know why. I mainly focus that in my T-zone area because that's when my pores are really bad. And I press while I kind of rub it around. Now after I go ahead and rub that all over my face, I'm going to take the baby skin primer and put it only in my T-zone areas because once again, that is where the pores are really bad. And since we're not using foundation, we want, you know, that good old base. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to turn off the AC. Let me do that now. Because I hate the way the AC sound in the back of my videos. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is just going to be my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. And I'm pretty sure you guys, everybody already know how this looks, but there you go. So I'm going to just use this to conceal my eyes like I would have done if I would have, after I would have applied foundation. And taking a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out.
Oh, nice setup, so good.
Thanks, V. I look crazy right now like a ghost, but it's all going to be fixed once I bronze. Blending is key when you're doing makeup.
You know?
I'm almost done blending, and I also take it on my eyelid because I do want to do something very light with my eyes, but that's just because you don't have to, because again, I'm trying to like make it like natural, like something you can do every day. And I know I look crazy, all pale and white and stuff, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna be fixed. Alright, now once you think you blended it to your best abilities, because you know, I ain't no expert when it comes to makeup, but I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. I'm just going to set it with my Mercier powder. I'm just going to take my beauty blender to do that. Just like every other beauty guru and people that do makeup. You know, as I do this, I think it'll be one thing I do different next time. I'll probably do a little bit of color correcting under my eyes because they are a bit dark to me anyways. I'm playing some music or something. I do this because it's like I'm just sitting in dead silence. Now that I done went ahead and put my setting powder on and everything and I'm looking all crazy right now, I'm going to go ahead and bronze where that sit because I kind of pressed it in, but it also is still sitting on top of my face, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to go ahead and like bronze as contour my face as I wait. True Complexion Black Radiance Contour Palette, and this is in the color dark to medium. I'm going to take this little contour brush right here. Get started We're gonna blend that out some more. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it. I'm using the middle shade, the one that says Scope. I'm using that first. And I'll show you what I mean by first later. Forgot to get out the other brush and I'm gonna dig into that contour color, the darkest one. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start contouring my face. You know, one thing I did learn though, as I do makeup more and more, you know, you feel like you grab too much, you just gotta try to work it around. Like, I feel like I grabbed too much, so now I'm just trying to work whatever I got around and just distribute it as evenly as possible. I gotta contour my nose. Just gonna go ahead and contour my nose, tap it. Okay, I like that. So taking a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm gonna dig into mineral powder. And then I'm just gonna take this all over my face. Okay, so as far as the mineral powder, it's okay. Like, it's okay. Like, it's not too much or too little. I feel like it's just right for what you need it for, like to set your face, but you know, I like it. I like the way it works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up a little more. That little sculpted on my cheek. Oh shit. Sitting here reminiscing about why we kissing, baby. I gave you top of the line, I know you miss it, baby. I got a lot on my mind. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. Like, it looks really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do my first spray of my Mario Badescu facial spray. It feels so good, so refreshing. I like it. It's cute. I like it. I like it. Oh god. I really, really like it. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do something to my eyes. You know, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Taking that same little brush I used to contour my nose, I'm just gonna dig into that mineral powder and go into my eyelid. I want to go into that contour shade and just put that on the outer edge of my eyelid. Everything actually looking so cute, even though I didn't use any foundation. I'm so proud of that. Alright, you guys, and now that I'm done with my, now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm just spraying my little fan brush. I'm going into that bronze highlighter from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight. As you can see, look, it's so pretty. Like, it's so like natural, like just like look at that. Just look at it, okay? That's all I'm saying. Just look at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down the bridge of my nose. Just gotta get out the eyebrows. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. I'm actually happy I got this color. Excited. Yeah, I'm gonna add some mascara. This is just the Too Faced Version 6 mascara. Before I do the bottom lashes, I'm just gonna spray my face one more time. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the bottom, then yeah. Alright guys, so I am all done with my makeup look. Thank you. And I like it. It turned out really cute. I like it for like not using foundation and things like that. It was really quick. Didn't take too long. You know, for it being my first time, it took a little longer. But now that I've done it once, I feel like the next time it's gonna go by so quick. Yeah. So this is the look. Not using no foundation, mainly palettes besides the concealer, and I really like it. I think it turned out cute. I think it looks natural, something you can do every day. So yeah. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see more of this. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, y'all have a good one.